Attention job seekers, you are a normal job seeker or even a freelancer but finding it so difficult to get a job. Here are 5 top reasons why finding a job is so difficult with solutions. Firstly, your resume or portfolio is being filtered out by a system called the ATS software. ATS simply stands for Application Tracking System. Many companies are using this software. It automatically filters out resumes or portfolios that don't include certain keywords. This is very unfortunate because your portfolios or resumes are not being viewed by a normal human being. Your hard work can simply be just thrown out without even being seen by the hiring manager. So the solution for this, take the job ad and include as many keywords as possible. For example, if the ad asks for Excel skills, Microsoft PowerPoint skills, include those skills in your portfolio. Be strategic about it and don't simply add irrelevant stuff, but you definitely have to include these strategic keywords. It's the game that we have to play today. Number 2. You don't tailor your resume or portfolio for the job. It's easy to send the same resumes or portfolio to hundreds of companies or clients. I get it. I've been there. It takes much less time. It makes you feel like you're actually doing something. This is the shotgun approach to getting a job. However, you do want to become more like a sniper. Solution: tailor your resume or portfolio to each job that you apply for. You don't need to change everything. Just the essentials. Your portfolio summary and skills section should be adapted to the needs of the hiring company. For instance, if you are applying to a client for a relevant customer service skill set, mention your customer service experience throughout your resume or portfolio. Number 3. You are not networking. Did you know that up to 70% of all jobs are not advertised at all? These are jobs that are offered to well-connected people. That's why being social and building a network is so important. Solution: tell your friends, family or acquaintances that you are looking for a job. Take part in meetups, industry events, seminars or just appear in some career fairs. Ask someone to forward your resume or portfolios to people in power to make a hiring decision. 4. You're simply applying for the wrong jobs. The more targeted your job application, the more likely you will get a job. In simple terms, you won't get hired if you are a software engineer, but your portfolio screams sales consultant. Doesn't make sense. Solution: you can apply for entry-level job if your goal is to change careers. That's a simple way, but obviously it has its downsides as well. An alternative would be to build up your skills at the side with courses, internships or mentorships program. And last but not least, your resume is badly formatted. This is a common mistake by a lot of people. Resumes that are too big, have missing skill section and have no resume objective or summary will often get thrown out. Solution: research resume writing best practices and compare your resumes with other professionals in the field. You don't need to do everything by yourself. Leverage on other people's resources and experience and get your kick-ass resume. So here are 5 reasons for you to know why you are not getting that job or that client that you want with the necessary solutions. Check it out.